They're gonna get their solar up on the bus today, and then we're leaving tomorrow. But once it's all finished, I'll get a picture of it. If I can, there they are. Hello, children.
Hi.
Solar.
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 Every good thing comes from the Lord.
Don't you forget that. Okay.
So we're up on top of the bus, getting ready to do some solar stuff. Waiting for Johnny's gonna grab the drill, I guess, and start drilling some holes into the bus.
Into the bus. There's one.
1, 2.
One,
There's actually
two.
2 there, and the other one's on the ground.
I know, I saw those. Okay, Mom's gonna get off the bus now.
Bye, Mom.
Goodbye. Okay, there is John, the installer, friend slash installer for Shane for the bus. And I was gonna get up there and actually film this, but I think I'll stay firmly planted on the ground and just do it like this.
Yeah.
There's our
Okay.
expert solar installer.
I don't know about expert.
Yes, you are. There he goes.
Get this on video because you're about to see your son fall off the bus.
Oh, cool.
That'd
Well,
be good content.
that-
How not to go up on top of a school bus.
Our campsite. Girl by the name of Meg, she lives in that full time now. She just started living in that 2 weeks ago. And there's Tony tending the fire. Our rig. Shane, of course. And this girl, Andrea, is building out this Airstream. So we've got quite a few rigs on this property. But we're leaving tomorrow to go to Maryland. Well, we're leaving New Jersey, and Shane's trying to back out. It's been a wonderful stay. Thank you, Dawn and John, for your hospitality. Away we go.
I think this is the Delaware Memorial Bridge we're going over. There's the captain.
Yeah, hello. I don't like bridges.
He hates bridges,
I hate bridges.
especially when they're this far down.
Well, tonight I am going to see Shane and Emily at a house show, yet another house show, and it'll be the last time that we get to see them until October. but it's only a little over a month, so it's not so bad. So we're going to go see them play, say our goodbyes, and hopefully I don't cry my eyes out. But we'll have a good time tonight, and then we'll see him again in October. And then Tony's going, and we're headed to North Carolina to visit my sister for a while. Sadie's in her chair, relaxing. She's not feeling good these days. I don't know what's wrong with her, but, well, other than her heart. Right? Yeah. That's all right. We're taking good care of her, though, huh?
Yes, we are.
Well, we're at the house show, and this is their property. It's beautiful here. They're starting any time now, and there's this wonderful, beautiful home, and that's where the show is. It's crazy, and it should be a lot of fun.